Sony is dishing out flagships like there's no tomorrow. Last year, the Japanese company was probably the most prolific top-of-the-line manufacturer of them all. And this year, at MWC, Sony decided to update its flagship line once more. The result were two new phones, the adequately refreshed Sony Xperia XZ Premium and the less novelty Xperia XZS. Leaving the XZ Premium aside, let's dive into the XZs and see what's what with the device. In terms of hardware, little has changed from the XZ. The new phone uses almost exactly the same body design, and almost the same internals with some small, but significant differences. Just like its predecessor, the Sony Xperia XZS employs the Snapdragon 820 chipset with Adreno 530 GPU. While it's not top of the line anymore, the 820 is still a solid chip. However, we expected more from a so-called upgrade. The RAM did get some love, though, and an extra gigabyte has been added for a total of 4 gigabytes of memory. The rest of the internals stayed the same, with 32 gigabytes of internal memory, expandable through a microSD card, and a 2900 mAh power pack, but we can't complain for the lack of upgrade here. These should be more than enough in most cases.